So me, Miranda, and Sandra are out here outside my house, and we're honking for peace. Hold up the sign so we can see it. Yeah, yeah. What? Honk! Oh, come on now.
Now you see that? There's some people who we don't need. And now we need people who
There's some people that need a little more peace in their lives.
But like Danny go.
Honk! Oh, he just waved.
Did not say wave.
It's last time I checked, it says honk, not wave.
And it's in black. But just watch.
Yeah, someone will honk. Honk. I started to say honk.
Honk. John honked.
Wow, I'm pretty slow. But yeah. Honk for peace! Turn around!
He's brushing his teeth. He was brushing his teeth and honked. With the toothbrush? Yeah, with the toothbrush.
No, with a regular brush.
Well, how was that good? Because you could fit one of those in your mouth.
Yeah, totally.
That was not funny. Not funny. Not funny.
Alright, so there's no cars right now.
Should we, like, walk through the hospital?
Wait, there's a car right there. Hold it up high. Nice and high. Let's see if he honks. Honk!
You're going slow enough.
Yay! Woo! Yeah. Yay! Huh? There's people looking? It's alright.
I don't see any people though.
In the buildings?
Yeah. You're like, that's okay. Oh, not close up.
It's not close.
Here's another car.
Car, come on, honk, honk, honk. Honk.
You can do it. It isn't that
honk
hard
for peace.
Okay.
Yay, thank you.
Okay, why is it starting? Oh. I think they're going for this.
Do they live here? Do they think we need a ride?
No, we don't need a ride.
Yeah, Is that why they stopped? No, you can go now.
Let's just walk fast.
Yeah, alright.
Not pay attention to them. Well, if we get raped, it's on camera.
Yeah, we have proof. If we get raped. Oh wow.
Okay. There's no car.
Miranda, say hi to Matthew.
Hi, Matt. I love you.
Matt.
Oh my God. That was not funny.
Yeah, alright.
She's not drunk. No, I'm just kidding. No one ever gets drunk these days. Except you. People.
Oh my God, that car's still there.
I thought they were going to try to pick us up.
I think it was like some two old. Yeah, it was like two old ladies.
No, they were Indians.
Oh wow. Yeah, because that totally makes a difference.
Okay, we should walk back. Should we really keep walking up that road? Because I think there's more cars over there.
Yeah, not that many cars go on this street.
Oh my God, you're still there on the stop. This is the Marky Way street. Not Milky Way, because I know it sounds like similar, but it's the Marky Way. You are so gay. But it's because that's the way the Mark comes through every time I walk by his house.
And you should know. Look, there's a car. Hold up, pull up. Honk for peace! Yay!
The car is still there, what the fuck? Maybe they think that we're going to come back for them.
Oh, we're kind of leaving, so I don't know what they're thinking.
Well, maybe they think that
Sneha lives like...
She lives like
down that way.
You keep going down.
And then to the left to like... Yeah. Like
to the light greenish house. It's like light green.
Yeah. Honk! Please honk! Oh, they sort of saw it. Not really.
Yeah. I don't think they saw it because I had like the sign down. I should get fired now.
It's alright.
Aww, I feel so bad. Are those green lights over there?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Well, actually my favorite color is green, so I have a problem with that. And like, my favorite color is also red. But when they're together, they're like, red? So like December. It's so like...
Oh, there's another car. Turn around. There's another car right there. Honk for peace. Come on, honk. Honk, please. Come on now. It's for a good cause. Look, there's another one. Honk.
They must be from New Canaan, because, you know, they're like really stuck up there.
Whoa, what's it? Why is it blurry? Honk! Please. Yay! Thank you!
See, I told you black people do honk. It's the white people who don't.
Oh, wait.
Sandra was like, oh yeah, the black people don't honk. Oh.
Honk for peace! Wait, why is it blurry? Yay! Thank you!